Welcome back. Well, a cloudy day. Temperatures mostly in the 50s today, topped out at 62 degrees, and expect more of the same tonight. 50s tonight, maybe a little bit milder tomorrow. We should reach the mid-60s. 70s will be back for the weekend. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. As for rain, well, we're kind of falling. Let's take it over to the wall. We're kind of falling behind schedule, certainly for the month, where we would expect a little over 4 inches of rain, and this month only 2, a little over that. We had 5 100s yesterday, and most of the rain that we had was at the beginning of the month, thus the little bit of a fire danger across the area. Now, last day of the month and that extra leap day, we might get some rain before midnight to close out the month, so that will help with the fire danger as well. In fact, a pretty busy pattern as we look at your rain chances moving forward. It's 80% tonight, so that's going to be up here, tailing off tomorrow morning, and then this weekend low-end rain chances. Our next weather maker looks to come in late Monday into Monday night with rain and storms, but yet there's more rain and unsettled pattern as we finish out next week and more than likely head into the following weekend as well. Near term, it's the upper level low that's now over by the Red River. Wish this would be producing more rain by the fires across the Texas Panhandle. Those fires, worst in Texas history, over 1 million acres burned already, dozens of homes destroyed as well, and livestock at risk as well. But we're dealing with the subtropical jet stream that's being energized with this upper low. We're getting a little perturbations coming across the Mexican plateau, and that's going to allow for showers and storms to develop later on tonight. This whopper of a low still producing big snows in the west with blizzard warnings for the eastern Nevada mountains, where they could get a couple of feet of snow, 70-mile-per-hour plus winds. And we've talked about the Sierra Nevada official forecast now, 5 to 10 feet, as high as 12 feet on the mountain peaks, and wind gusts above 100 miles an hour, above 8,000 feet. So rough weather in the west, but this system won't have a direct impact on us, but the tail end of it will be coming in Monday, Tuesday. In the near term, this is what we're dealing with. And again, looks busy on the radar locally. This is definitely shower activity. And again, we'd like to see rain over by where, and there's a little snow by where those big fires are. And as we look at the regional Doppler radars, again, it looks kind of like there's some showers in Acadiana, but most of the activity is light and not reaching the ground. If we just look at Power Doppler 3, we see the same thing. As we look farther south and west, we see the shower activity, and it is staying intact, but as it's moving over us, we're shooting underneath it, and that precipitation is evaporating. One thing I want to show you, though, and I think this is a flock of birds. Notice how most of the showers are moving southwest to northeast, and then look at what we watch right coming up right here. It's going in a different direction. So that might be some birds migrating northward. So we might even be picking up on that on Power Doppler 3 this afternoon. But look how it should get busy by 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Showers, a little embedded thunder, not expecting any severe weather nor widespread heavy rainfall, but there's going to be a little soakers out there. Temperatures in the mid-50s tonight. Tomorrow, a little bit of a break midday. Can't rule out an isolated shower into the afternoon, but it should quiet down into tomorrow evening. So that is the good news for downtown Alive, the first one for tomorrow. And then as we head into Saturday, maybe an isolated shower beginning of the day, but what we're going to see is eventually the winds coming around out of the south, so temperatures are going to be pushing back into the mid-70s. So the weekend not looking too bad. Sunday, low-end rain chances again, mid to upper 70s, and then our next weather maker coming in late Monday night into Tuesday. That could have some decent rains with it, so we'll see how that plays out. Near term, what can we expect overnight tonight through tomorrow morning? Well, some folks maybe a 1/10 or a 1/4 inch of rain. Others might get a good soaking of 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So we'll watch the radar trends into this evening and we'll have a better idea. But again, not expecting any flooding, but we could use the rain, and we'll get just what the doctor ordered at least overnight tonight. Temperature wise, mid-50s. Tomorrow we'll be back into the low to mid-60s. So 54 the overnight low tonight with that rain chance at 80%. So a little bit of a rainy night across the area. And then for tomorrow, showers ending in the morning. Rain chances 60% early, 30% later in the day, and then things will quiet down, at least for Saturday. A little sun for Saturday afternoon, we hope, fingers crossed. Temperatures in the 70s this weekend, and then high rain chances returning early next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.